Welcome. So, you want a mashed potato recipe? Saw one of the comments. I know who you are. Say you want a mashed potato recipe. Let's go. So, this is the ingredients: potato, sweet potato, carrot. That's going to go into the mash. And personally, I choose a more floury regular potato, like a Dunbar Standards, Mars, Piper, or Queens for this mash. And you could do equal parts potato, sweet potato. Or if you want a more floury sort of mash, you do more regular potato than sweet potato. But you chop it up, throw it into a steamer, and by 15-20 minutes later, boom, here you go, ready to be mashed. So introducing Clinton, the masher. Yeah. So just mash away, mash as best as you can, and for as long as you can to get that smooth consistency. Sometimes I just, out of just laziness, I'm just like, I'm just gonna, I don't really care if it's that lumpy. You know what I mean? So here you go. Here it is. Very simple. Very simple. Just serve it with a side of greens, a bit of soy sauce. You could even have a salad. Boom. So you wanted a mashed potato recipe, and now you have a mashed potato recipe. Let me give it a taste test for you guys. It's really good. Just want to say special thanks to Hannah for this recipe. And if you want to see how to make this, it's in my ebook alongside many other recipes, high carb, low fat, oil-free, gluten-free recipes. So give that a check. The link will be in the description. That being said, thank you very much. Carb up. I am going to dive into this mash mountain. Sweet potato carrot mash mountain. So peace, love, veganism. I'm out.
I don't need lean, but give me that smoothie though. I'm looking some greens into my smoothie, yo. Pour another cup for show. My energy high and it low. She slept when she taking it all. She drinking and loves every drop. Bananas a day.